Listeria infections. Introduction. Listeria infections are caused by bacteria. Select true or false. Correct. Listeria infections are caused by the Listeria bacteria. Most people are infected by eating contaminated food. If a pregnant woman only has mild flu-like symptoms, should she visit a healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Listeriosis typically causes only a mild flu-like illness in pregnant women. However, infections during pregnancy can lead to miscarriage, stillbirth, premature delivery, or life-threatening infection of the newborn. You can only get a Listeria infection by drinking or eating unpasteurized milk products. Select true or false. Correct. Uncooked meats and vegetables can also contain Listeria and cause an infection. People can get the disease by consuming foods that were improperly cooked or stored. They can also get it by touching contaminated surfaces. You should always take the full amount of antibiotic medicine prescribed by your healthcare provider. Select true or false. Correct. When taking antibiotics, it is important to take them exactly as prescribed. You should take the full amount, even if your symptoms get better. Stopping antibiotics too soon can cause the infection to return and could make it more difficult to treat. To avoid Listeria infection, at-risk people such as pregnant women should never consume dairy products. Select true or false. Correct. They can have dairy products that are made with pasteurized milk. Thank you for using Explain.